Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. My name is LaKendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel that is dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Today I am talking about Chanel, and in particular Chanel boots. If this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. So, if you're on social media, if you're on Instagram, you are seeing these new Chanel boots that are flooding all of the sales associates and also the fashion advisors, the influencers, fashion influencers on these new boots. What you should know about Chanel boots. That is what this video is about. So, okay, first, and I'm just going to tell you off the bat, this is what you need to know. If you're looking at some and you're interested and you're thinking about buying, you better go ahead and buy those boots. That is what this video is about. Why? Because even though they are pricey, people buy them. And if you don't buy them and you first see them, it'll be a month go by, or 2 months go by, and it's the fall and winter, and everyone is wearing their boots and their coats and their jackets, and they're looking really cute, and you'll start seeing all of these pictures of people, or also the fashion influencers, posting pics of their winter style and their boots. And then you'll see that they have Chanel boots, and when you try to go find them, they will be obsolete, and you'll have to wait until next season to try and get some Chanel boots. And it will not be those boots that you fell in love with. It'll be another pair of boots. So that is what I want to tell you today. So in speaking about boots, I want to showcase and review the new boots that just came out. So I already have boots. I have a pair that are the velvet that I bought last year. Okay. These are these boots. I think they are gorgeous. I've worn them. They are comfortable. Really nice boots. Okay. So I have these boots. I also have these boots that I also purchased after I seen everybody wearing them. And when I say everybody, I'm not saying it was everybody, but it was enough that you saw it and they looked so cute, and you was like, why didn't I get those boots when I saw them? So I fell in love with these Okay, the combat boots. And I reached out to my different like fashion advisors, asking if they had my size. They was like, oh no, like we have a 36 or all the sizes that, I mean, like nobody has like feet that small. So they were like, it's just sold out. So I'm like, oh gosh. So then I just couldn't stop thinking about these boots. I couldn't stop thinking about them. And I was on Instagram, and a personal shopper posted these. She said that she had some sizes available. Well, I purchased that way. Her Instagram is Lux something, I don't know. If you guys want to know, like just like, you know, leave me a comment and I will let you know like what this personal shopper was. At that time she charged like 5%. I think she charges, you know, like more now for her fee. So I had to pay extra for that. And you don't want to do that. You do not want to pay extra for something that you can get in the store. So anyway, I did get these boots and I love them. So I didn't really think I needed any more boots. I didn't. I said, I've got 2 pair of black, I have the velvet, and I have the tall combat boots. I don't need any boots. So this summer, in June or July, I can't remember, because I've had my boots now probably almost 2 months. So I will say June. I started seeing these boots, and they were in my feed, seeing them, I mean, fashion advisors posting pics, and I was like, I don't need them. I already have some boots. I do not need these boots. Well, I started thinking. I said, okay, LaKendra, you're gonna see these boots going through your feed and you're gonna wish that you would have bought these boots. So I reached out to my fashion advisor, one of them, and picked up these gorgeous boots. They are so feminine and girly. Take these off so y'all can see. They have the C's on them. Love the silver. Love this detailing. I also really like contemplated these, or I wanted these because I also have a belt that is perfectly matched with this. Okay, with the CC. So I just thought, oh, and they go perfectly with my belt. I just have to have them. So the quilting is nice, beautiful. I mean, they're just a gorgeous boot. So I don't know. I kind of thought about, you know, posting this, and it might be a little too late. I mean, you might can find your size now, but I am seeing they're already sold out. So if you're interested and you've been on the fence and you're just Googling to see like what like people think about these boots, if you have reached out to someone and if they have your size, if you want them, I suggest you just go ahead and get them. They also have these gorgeous boots in other colors. They are a cream and black and also white and black. I went for just plain black. Actually, when I purchased my black boots, the other colors had not come out yet. After I purchased them, had them, my FA sent me a text, and he was like, hey, they have them in the white. I was like, stop texting me, you're the devil, I'm not buying any more boots. So if you like the white ones, or if you wanted the black, and if they're sold out, you could opt for either the cream, which I think are also pretty, and also the white. They will pop, they will definitely be that pop of color that you need with any outfit if you decide that's what you want it to do. So that's also an option. If you decide now that you want those boots and you reach out to someone and they say they're sold out. So, and that's really crazy to be sold out of winter boots in the summer already. Isn't that crazy, guys? Just crazy. I have tried them on. I have not worn them yet. Okay, I haven't worn them. They fit perfectly, and I will post also shots that I took when I tried them on and sent to my fashion advisor so that he could see. I did get the boots and I liked them. So, okay, let's talk about sizing, so you'll know sizing. If you have not purchased Chanel before, then it might be kind of difficult for you. If you know like what your Italian sizes is, then you could possibly go with that. I am, as I mentioned in a previous videos, I am a Italian 39 and a half. In Chanel shoes, okay, that's what I have, like 39 and a half. Except for these combat boots, I went up a half size on these, and these I got a 40. They fit perfectly. My other boots are 39 and a half. Okay, these they're 39 and a half. So are these. Okay, they're also a 39 and a half. I am a US 9 regularly, and I do suggest that if you have been looking at these and you're thinking about it, then you should go ahead and buy them. But I don't want to be a bad influence. So I just want to say, right now is like you will see. I know it's August and it is still the summertime, but things are now coming out for the fall. And if it is something that you think that you might want, then this is the time to buy them, because when it gets cold and everybody's already purchased them and wearing them, and then you decide, oh, I think I want them, I just have to have them, they're already gone. So that is what I wanted to say today. If this is your first time here, I would ask that you would please subscribe if you liked my content, and share with your friends. I also have an Instagram. It's allthings__lux, and I post also pics on there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.